Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the CRM website called Salesforce. So we're going to explore its key features, the pros and cons of this platform to help you make an informed decision if this platform is the best platform for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Salesforce continues to be a leading customer relationship management CRM platform in 2025. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to enhance sales, marketing, and customer service operation. Its robust features, extensive customization option, and scalability makes it a preferred choice for business of various sizes. And talking about the key features of this platform that makes it stand out compared to other competitors' platform. So one of these key features is a comprehensive CRM capability together with a customization integration and an advanced analytics and report, which is part of the key features, and also comes with an AI powered automation. Now, talking about the pricing plan, it has a different plan that makes the whole CRM process super unique. So, talking about this plan, it has about a Sales Cloud Essential. It also comes with a Sales Cloud Professional, a Sales Cloud Enterprise, and a Sales Cloud Unlimited. So, this Sales Cloud Essential comes with $25 per month, with also the Cloud Professional Sales also comes with $75 user per month, and the Professional also about 300 user per month, and that's it. If you want more information, you can simply get back to the website to check out the plan, the key features enlisted to each plan, and the price tag for each plan to help you decide which will be the best option for your business. Now, talking about the pro and the con side of this platform, which is the good side and the bad side of this platform. So, talk about the good side. It's suitable for small business to large enterprise with a models that can grow alongside your business. It also has a high quality customization to fit unique business process and requirement. Also, to give access to a vast array of third-party application through an app exchange. Also gives a powerful report tools that provide a actionable insight together with an AI capabilities. Now, talking about the downside, which is the complexity. The platform extensive features can be overwhelming for a free users, requiring a learning curve. Also, the cost is a bit higher. The higher pricing ties may be expensive for small business or a startup. Also, the deep customization offer necessitates additional investment in development resources. Also, some users find the interface less intuitive compared to a newer CRM platform. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this CRM website. Thanks.